When you work at high magnification levels or with large drawings, you may not be able to see the whole drawing. Zooming, panning, and scrolling let you move the page around in the drawing window to view previously hidden areas. You can experiment with a variety of zoom options to determine the amount of detail you want. You can also zoom in and out in preset increments by using common keyboard shortcuts, supported by web browsers and other applications. Zooming. There are many options for navigating in a design. Choose the method that works best for you. The standard toolbar allows you to select a preferred zoom level from a drop-down list, or choose one of the zoom presets by clicking on these icons. To see your entire design in full screen mode, you can also click on the full screen preview icon. Press Escape to exit full screen mode. To zoom in on a portion of your work, select the Zoom tool and click in the drawing window. To zoom into a selected area of your work, drag to define the area. To zoom into all objects on the page, double-click the Zoom tool. To zoom out, right-click, or hold down Shift and click in the drawing window. To add keyboard shortcuts to zoom levels, go to Tools, Options, Customization. Click on Commands and from the drop-down list, choose All, Show All Items. Type Zoom in the search box and choose a zoom level that you want to assign a shortcut to. Click on the Shortcut Keys tab and under New Shortcut Key, add your own shortcut and click on Assign. Click OK to save. The Pan and Navigator tools. Press the keyboard shortcut H to switch to the Pan tool, or choose the tool from the Zoom tool flyout menu. The Pan tool moves the whole page, whatever the zoom level. To view a different part of the page, drag anywhere with the Pan tool. You can also use the Quick Pan mode to switch from any active tool to the Pan tool. This feature lets you pan without having to change tools. You can zoom in and out while you are panning, and you can pan while you are zooming. In this way, you can avoid having to alternate between the two tools. By default, when zooming with a mouse and panning with the Pan tool, you are viewing the document at high resolution. However, you can show a low-resolution document preview for any device or method you are using to zoom and pan. You can also hide the low-resolution document preview for any device and method. Click Tools, Options, CorelDRAW. In the left pane of the Options dialog box, click Display. In the navigation area, choose one of the options from the low-resolution preview for responsive zooming and panning box. The Navigator works differently. Placed below the vertical scroll bar, the Navigator will only work if you are zoomed into a design. Drag the mouse within the Navigator to view different areas of your document. The Views Docker. The Views Docker can be used not only for zooming in and out of a design, but more specifically for saving these views so that you can return to them at any time. This can be especially useful when working on very complex or large-scale designs, where you want to be able to jump straight into the last area you worked on, without having to zoom or pan around until you find it. To save a view, click on the plus sign at the foot of the Docker. You can leave the view displaying the current zoom level, or you can double-click it to give it a specific name. To switch back and forth between views, just select them in the Views Docker.